We talk about what Pakistan has been up to and how India is getting ready for a diplomatic strike on Pakistan on a global platform. As we know that Pakistan is synonymous to a terror state, Indian officials meanwhile have briefed the monitoring team of the UN Security Council's 1267 Sanctions Committee on the activities of the TRF or the Resistance Front. And this group which is behind the Pahalgam terror attack, people familiar with the matter who has been saying that this is a technical team, Pradeep, which is visiting New York to interact with the monitoring team of the 1267 Sanctions Committee and other partner countries in the United Nations. And what is being said that they would be also meeting the representatives of the UN Office of Counter-Terrorism. It is important to note that why TRF needs to be highlighted. It was omitted in the previous statement, but right now TRF needs to be highlighted. It is not any charitable or NGO work that it seems to be doing. It is one of the legs when it comes to the terror groups and financing and how they have been trying to wreak havoc. This is the way that India needs to put out the reality of the TRF.
Yes, Amita, that's what actually India is trying to do. Because by doing so, India will be exposing the role of Pakistan, and the second, they will be exposing TRF. TRF is nothing but it's a front of Lashkar-e-Toiba, and Pakistan keeps on rebranding and changing name because whenever the sanctions are imposed on any of the terror organization or they are designated as terror organization, they always try to rebrand and try to change the name so that they can keep on operating. And that's exactly what they've done. Initially, there was Lashkar-e-Toiba, then they changed its name to Jamaat-ul-Dawa, trying to project that this was basically a charity organization. Now this is the Resistance Front. The idea was that they wanted to befool the international community by saying that TRF has nothing to do with Lashkar-e-Toiba. TRF is basically an indigenous organization of freedom fighters in Kashmir Valley who are fighting against India's security forces, and they are waging war against India. But the reality is TRF is front of Lashkar-e-Toiba, and recently we've seen that how Pakistan was trying to shield TRF because they got TRF omitted from the press release of United Nations Security Council. But now this 1267 United Nations Security Council Standing Committee meeting is going to be held. So Indian representatives will be trying to tell them with the evidence.
So Pakistan attempted to shield TRF before, but it will not happen as this team that is visiting New York is said to be part of the efforts by India to get the Resistance Front designated as a global terrorist group. Thank you very much for the moment, Pradeep Datta, for joining in. In the meantime,